So when you start a conference, you really have no clue if it will take off and if it will evolve. But in 2004, my father, Konstantinos Papanastasiou, took the chance and he organized the first IRC conference in Nicosia, Cyprus. Now, he really put a lot of effort and pride into the conference because, first of all, he understood that IEA had so much data. So he wanted to make sure that there was a platform where people could actually share their research, but at the same time that people would be able to create new collaborations and share their ideas. So he put a lot of effort into it because he really wanted to make sure that it was a successful conference and that it was also a positive experience for everyone. And I believe that eventually, looking back, 20 years later, that this was a very successful endeavor. So on this 10th anniversary of the conference, it appears as though this has been a very successful conference. I'm very impressed by the way that this conference has evolved, and especially with the caliber of the studies that are presented here, and especially of the research that's being done and presented at this conference. So I'm really excited that I'm at this conference. I'm very proud of this conference. I'm sure my father would have been very proud as well. And I need to say that this is definitely my favorite conference, and I really look forward to it every 2 years.